This is a 2018 Hunter Highbury ceiling fan, 52-inch brush nickel. My mom got this to replace a Hunter low profile that was in here and the capacitor failed on it. So here's the light. Comes with 3 LED bulbs, and like I said, it's a typical fan for our day and age. Piss poor performance, but it looks good though. So here's low. High speed on this fan is more like low, or more like a medium. Alright, now here's medium. Medium's more like low on any other fan. I don't know what it is about these Hunters, but they've got some piss poor performance in their recent years. Doesn't really want to make you buy a Hunter fan anymore. But it's really a catch-22 because all fans nowadays suck, so you just gotta pick the lesser of all the evils and just roll with it. Like I said, that's medium, but it looks more like a low. Alright, now here's high. It does wobble right out of the box. No surprise there. And we'll go around here to the switch and shut it off. And that is the Hunter Highbury ceiling fan.